Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping. Wash and dry your hands so oils don't make the tip slippery. Once done, pause audio or power off the AirPods to prevent sudden movement and position yourself over a flat towel to catch anything that falls. Now reach for the earbud. Place your thumb and index finger on the soft silicone at its base where it meets the white stem. Make sure you're holding the stem steady so only the tip moves when you pull. Next, pinch the silicone tip firmly at its base. Avoid squeezing the outer bell, which can deform the seal. Pull straight outward with a steady, gentle force while adding a slight twist. This releases the locking lip inside the nozzle. If it resists, pause and reposition your fingers closer to the stem, then try again rather than yanking. After removal, inspect the nozzle and the tip's inner ring for lint, earwax, or debris and clear with a dry, soft brush so the new reseal will hold. To finish, align the tip's inner opening to the nozzle and press until you feel or hear a click confirming the locking tab engaged. Make sure the fit seals in your ear and swap sizes if necessary for comfort and sound isolation. If a tip won't seat or seems stuck, clean both parts with a 70% isopropyl swab and let dry, then retry. If problems persist, contact support, however gentle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.